Hello everyone, welcome once again to another episode. This is Gimh Lang once again. This is the place where you're going to learn how to use Python. I'm going to be showing you different ways you can use Python and how to install Python IDEs, and also you are going to learn web design also. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to design Дэдпула. We are going to be designing Дэдпула today, and in case you have not watched my previous videos, I will encourage you to go now and check the previous video I uploaded yesterday. So that being said, let's now get to today's business. Today we are going to be drawing Дэдпула. Pay attention. For those of you who are interested in learning more deeply into Python and how you're able to think out of the box, you can place your comment below and send me your information. So today we are going to press on import. Sorry, I'm using a different key. So import total as tall. Then what we need to do is we have to draw. We have to place the background color. So I'm going to be using red because we are drawing Дэдпула. Sorry for my slow typing. I want to ensure that everybody has the information. So for those of you who are new to this channel, please click on the subscription below, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel so you can be notified anytime I'm uploading new videos. That helps also to push the videos I'm uploading today at the very top of the algorithms, because the YouTube algorithms likes people to engage in every video they watch. So please click on the like button, subscribe to the channel. That helps us to grow. Thank you. So we are using the dev functions. I know most of you do not know what is the dev functions. If you want to learn more about the dev functions in Python, please place your comment below. We are going to be working on it separately. Python is a very interesting programming language that I think will benefit every one of you who are interested in Python. So I hope I will get your response also as we walk through the program. So we are going to continue with the program. So stay tuned. So finally, we have finished the design. For those of you who want to get the code for this program, you can drop me a message, or you can join our Telegram channel at Gimh Lang. So you can also place your comment below. I will try as much as possible to reply to your messages. I only send the codes to those who are subscribed to the channel. So if you want this code, then I can send you through our Telegram. So let's test the code. Okay, this is code for Black Panther that I did last time. So I have to check again. Дэдпула. I hope you guys love. If you like this video, if you like this code, you have any request on any design you want us to show, if you're interested in the code, if you're interested in Python and you want to learn it, please comment below, send me a message through our Telegram channel, Gimh Lang. I will be glad to help you. So I hope you love this video. I hope to see you guys. I hope to see the comment, the subscription and the like. So subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Hope to see you next time.